Don't touch. Don't touch. Hey, hey. Don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch. Look. Look. Okay. Look. But no touch. Look, no touch. Look, no touch.
They've been racing for a while. When are they coming back?
Here they come! Here they come! Ooh, I hope Yoshi wins. And the winner is...
What? Toadette.
I won! Well, good race anyways. Oh, please. I don't need your thanks. I won and you lost, so you can't join us. Besides, everyone knows that I am the fastest of all the karts. Not on a baby motorcycle like yours. What? Oh! Hey!
Okay, now you're just being a sore winner.
Well, excuse me if I'm the fastest. I mean... Wait. What's that? Guys?
Oh my goodness. What is that?
Whatever it is, we should get out of the way!
Mamma mia!
What? Hey, where's everybody going? Get out of the way of what?
Mamma mia!
Oh my gosh!
He saved her life!
Are you okay? I think so.
Wow, that was insane! Good job, Yoshi! You saved her life! That was magnificent, Yoshi!
It was very cool.
Woo.
Oh, geez. Thanks, fellas. You know, I guess I was wrong. I guess it doesn't matter what kind of vehicles you use. And you were pretty fast. So, how would you like to join the crew? You mean it? Yeah!
We could always use one more. Ooh.
In that case, I'm in. Wow, look at them go!
Yeah, I'm so happy that Yoshi actually gets to spend time with his friends now. Yeah, it doesn't matter which vehicles you use. What matters is that you just race with your friends.
Hey, guys!
Oh, hey, Yoshi. Hey, Yoshi.
Can you give us a moment, Mario?
Oh, of course.
Hey, I just want to say thank you for putting me back out there.
Hey, no problem.
Yeah.
You and that motorcycle belong together. Exactly.
Now, if you excuse me, we gotta go right off to the sunset.
But it's the middle of the afternoon.
Still. Alright, guys, let's go!
Okay, see ya.
Bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Come again next time!
You know, I kind of want to play Mario Kart now.
Alright, this is the last time I am paying for this pizza. And I swear, if any monsters or anyone come and steal my pizza, I'm really gonna lose it. Alright, let's dig in. Huh? What do you guys want?
No. What? No, what are you... What? No, hey, no, what are you doing? Hey, you're doing all that pizza. No, come on, no. Why?
This video is made possible by viewers like you. Thank you.
That's so nice.